All right, welcome back. Rivers State government is bent on prosecuting former governor of the state and former minister of transportation, Rotimi Amechi, on allegations of misapplication or misappropriation of 96 billion naira. Of course, this is not the first time that the former governor, is being investigated by the state. There was a time that when he left office, that he was initially investigated. The former governor went to the courts, went to Supreme Court, trying to stop his investigation, but that did not see the light of the day. But the Supreme Court said that what they ruled them was that the commission of inquiry set up by the River State governor, Wike, had no power in law to make indictments because it has no prosecutory powers. Probably that was the saving grace that the former governor had, because the commission of inquiry indicted him then. This is another effort in that direction. But the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria is picking a hole in this latest development, saying that the Accountant General of the state, former Accountant General of the state, Fubra Siminayi, who is also the People's Democratic Party candidate in next year's election, is being wanted by the EFCC, and somehow the state is shielding him. That's the argument of Huriwa, the national coordinator, Emmanuel Onwubiko, in a statement, alleged that there seems to be a double standard the way Rivers State government is pursuing the case of Amechi and that of the Accountant General of the state. This is what they are arguing. Emeka, I don't know what your take is on this. Is it a case of witch hunt, or is it a case of trying to find him guilty by all means, or is it that they are doing what they should do because there are instances, allegations of some privatization or some sale of assets of the state that cannot be accounted for, given the records that were left behind by the former governor?
Thank you, Victor. I think in borders of my principal, Chibike Amici, but sticking to the facts and sticking to the points of law. We've heard from the Supreme Court, which is the highest court in the land, that the Commission of Inquiry set up by River State Governor in the government has no prosecutorial powers and cannot indict. Yes, it's a fact-finding inquiry. They've laid bare their findings. It's left for the government of River State, the present government of River State, if they so wish, to take up the matter and go to court. It will take a court of competent jurisdiction to look at the allegations, and if look at the pros and cons, that to be argued. And if there's any infraction, fine. And if there is not, it won't see the light of day. That said, we don't have issue with the Commission of Inquiry. Let them go to court if they feel they have a case against Chibike Amechi, the past governor, and the allegation about sales of assets and the allegation about misappropriation of funds. The courts are there. You can't be your judge, jury, and executioner in your own matter. They've set up inquiry. If he has committed infraction, yeah, as every other citizens, the government can take it to court. It's Rivers State government money they are talking about. It's not anybody's money. And that said, I don't want to join issue with the seminar from Fubara. I think the law enforcement agency, if he has committed any infraction, they should go after him and he should be invited, and then he should be made to come and answer. No government can shield anybody, especially a state government. He doesn't have immunity, so how can he be shielded? The governor and the deputy governor and Baba have immunity. So the EFCC should track him. He's a governorship candidate of the PDP in Rivers State, and they know how to locate him and go after him and bring him to answer if they have any charge against him. So nobody can be shielded. And I think I'm not holding brief for Chibike Amechi on this regard. He has stated he didn't commit any infraction, and if they have any case against him, they should go to court. Let the court decide. It's mere allegations until proven otherwise. I don't think we should make a mountain out of a molehill in this matter. They have alleged, yes, they are sales of assets. Yes, go to court to prove it. You can't indict somebody just by commission of inquiry. Yes, go to court to establish it. That is the stand we have on that.